Hello everyone, it's Jason Harris here, and on this screencast I will be presenting to you my MVC Login information, and I just want to start off the screencast by letting you view my login process at work. So here I got Firefox open, and it's on my index page. But if you go up here to the login button, click on it, it'll bring you to the login page. Okay, from here, if you enter one of the usernames and passwords that I have on my database, and if you enter it correctly, it'll bring you over to the admin page. And voila. And now let's get to the code. Okay. For my login page, what I got is I started off by requiring everything, the functions, sessions, PHP database, the user PHP, and obviously the header and the footer PHP. Okay, and right off the bat, it's gonna check to see if the user is logged in. If they are logged in, oops, I didn't change that, but they will be redirected to the admin page. Let me change that real quick. And but if not, when they log in, when they submit the form, it will go through and send everything to the authenticate PHP that I got set up, which will verify whether or not the user and password exists in the database. If it does, it'll send them to the admin page, but if it doesn't, it'll come up and it'll bring up the message saying username / password combination incorrect. And I did that because if it's the user, they'll know which one they got incorrect, and if not, they'll still have to guess which one they got incorrect. They won't know whether or not the username or the password or both of them was incorrect. Alright, that's one method of preventing somebody from hacking into somebody else's site. And here's the form. Okay, it's just a simple form. Okay, where I got it's in a table format. Okay, the form action is going to the admin page. And it's using the method post. And the input fields are using the HTML entities provided by PHP to pass in what they input to the variables username and password. Okay, so if you go to the admin page, see it's just a blank page. Now, guys, this year I'm just starting now to work on my user cred. Okay, but here in the user.php, I'm creating a user class. Okay, I'm requiring the database PHP, which that's used to make the connection to the database. Okay, and just different functions here to read from the database, and here's the authenticate function that's called from the form. Okay, it's going to take the username and password that the user inputs and put it into the MySQL statement that I have here, and then it's going to pass it into the find by SQL function that I got provided, and that's going to just run the query. Okay, and when the query gets through running, it's going to pass everything in to an object, okay, in which that's gonna instantiate, pass it into my instantiate function that I have here. And what the instantiate function does is goes through and finds out whether or not they have a match on the database, and if it does, it's gonna return an object. So after it goes through and it figures out whether or not the username and password exists on the database, it'll go through and send the user onto the admin page. And they'll be able to create, update, and delete users and forms and everything that's they have access to everything that the enabler provides for the users. Okay, so that's it for my screencast. I hope that this screencast has provided some help for you. Oh, and one other thing that I failed to mention is right here, this escape value. Okay, as soon as the user inputs the username and password, I'm sending it straight to the escape value function that I have in my database, in which what that does is just prevents SQL injection and prepares everything, gets all the input text in a form where MySQL will accept it. It strips the slashers and escapes all the strings. That could be in the text. It makes it where MySQL will accept the variables or the inputs from the user. But being said, that's the end of my screencast, and I hope everybody enjoyed it.